Russia and Iran are currently in the process of converting the Memorandum of Understanding on Airworthiness, which was signed at the end of 2024, into a comprehensive agreement. Tehran Times reported on March 5th, citing a statement from the Iranian Embassy in Moscow, that this issue was discussed during a meeting in Moscow between the president of Iran's Civil Aviation Organization, Hossein Pourfarzan, and the head of Russia's Federal Air Transport Agency, Rosaviatsia, Dmitry Yadrov. On March 11th, Rosaviatsia disclosed that negotiations with Iranian aviation authorities are currently in progress, thereby verifying that efforts are being made to establish an intergovernmental agreement on airworthiness. The future document is based on the existing working arrangement in the field of airworthiness, signed in November 2024. It can currently be used by developers or manufacturers in cooperation with maintenance organizations and aviation authorities, the agency noted. The Iranian Embassy stated that the signing of the agreement would facilitate the harmonization of aviation standards between the two nations, thereby enabling Iranian companies to increase their exports of aviation products and services to Russia. Since 2022, when Western service providers departed Russia, there has been an increase in collaboration with Iran regarding aircraft maintenance. Russian carriers developed an interest in the Iranian counterparts experience, which has enabled them to maintain their Western-made aircraft in the face of long-term sanctions. The high quality of Iranian maintenance services is evidenced by the authorization of 3 Iranian firms to perform continuing Airworthiness Maintenance Organization (CAMO) work on Russian aircraft. Dmitry Yadrov commended Iranian companies for their innovative products and professionalism, predicting that they will have substantial opportunities in Russia's aviation sector. For the first time in 2023, Aeroflot dispatched its wide-body Airbus A330 to Tehran for maintenance at the facilities of local provider Mahan Air Engineering and Maintenance. 2 aircraft of this model, RA73788 and RA73789, from the airline have been in the Iranian capital for an extended period, as per the tracking service Flight Radar 24. The first aircraft has been there since early December 2024, while the second has been there since March 1st. Despite sanctions, Iranian technicians have acquired specialized knowledge in the maintenance of Western-made aircraft, which they can apply in Russia. Nevertheless, they may require additional training to adjust to the technologies and requirements specific to Russia. Furthermore, in order to guarantee safety, Iranian organizations must use spare parts that have been authorized by Russian aviation authorities. This entails the procurement of components that adhere to Russian standards, a task that can be difficult to accomplish as a result of the sanctions that impact both countries. Iranian companies are also expected to increase their presence in the aviation sector of Russia by implementing a variety of major projects. Design and manufacturing services are a critical area of involvement. The head of Rosaviatsia, Dmitry Yadrov, has expressed his confidence in the capacity of Iranian firms to take on significant initiatives in the aviation and airport sectors of Russia. This collaboration encompasses collaborations in the development of aircraft, including the manufacture of helicopters, such as the Ka-226, and passenger planes with seating capacities varying from 70 to 150. These initiatives are indicative of Iran's expanding proficiency in aviation technology and its strategic alliance with Russia. The export of aviation products and services is an additional critical component of cooperation. It is anticipated that the conversion of the Memorandum of Understanding on Airworthiness into a fully fledged agreement will facilitate these exports, thereby bolstering Iran's position in the regional aviation market. It is anticipated that this development will increase Iran's foreign exchange revenues and generate employment opportunities in its aviation sector. Iranian companies will be able to offer specialized services to Russian airlines and maintenance organizations as a result of the harmonization of aviation standards between the two countries. Furthermore, there are ongoing discussions regarding the possibility of collaborating on the production of spare parts. The potential for both nations to collaborate in the use of domestically manufactured components for aircraft repairs is currently being investigated. The objective of this initiative is to increase the self-sufficiency of their aviation industries and decrease their dependence on foreign suppliers. This collaboration emphasizes the common objective of promoting economic development and technological innovation while addressing the obstacles posed by international sanctions. Now, do you think Russia will go back to the Western service providers if sanctions are lifted? Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership in our channel to encourage us.